Welcome to this video on managing shared lists in ClearVantage. The Shared List Manager allows you to create and share predefined lists and dashboard gadgets with other users in your database. Creating predefined lists for staff user groups allows for easy and regular access to the most up-to-date information available in ClearVantage. Let's begin our look at the Shared List Manager by creating a saved list. When you have a search query that you run frequently, such as a list of active individual members, you can save the results of that query as a predefined list. To create the list, start by running your query. For membership, select Query Individuals and enter your query criteria, in this case, members with a status of active. Run the query. In our resulting list, we have 16,885 active individual member records. Select the Save As Predefined List button, and you will save the query criteria as a list for future use. Please note that this predefined list button is available to you and your staff for each generated list throughout ClearVantage. Once you select the button, give the list a title in the Enter List Title window. Once you've done so, select OK, and this will save your active members list. This will create a saved list on your user profile, allowing you to view your active membership without setting up a query each time you would like to review this list. Additionally, each time you run the list, it will be updated with the current information in the database. Saved lists are a useful tool for managing information in ClearVantage. Oftentimes, lists that you create are beneficial for other members of your organization. With the Shared List Manager, you can subscribe other members of your organization to the list and will become available in that user's view as well. Let's go ahead and add users to our shared list. From the Administration dropdown, select Shared List Manager. This will open the Manage Shared List window. In this window, you will see the full offering of all shared lists and dashboard gadgets available in your database. Scroll down until you find the list that you've just added. Select the shared list you wish to share with additional ClearVantage users. Once highlighted, users with access to the predefined list will appear in the List Subscribers area at the bottom of the window. The user that has created the list is automatically added as a subscriber. To add a user, click Add User, and a blank field will appear under User CD. Select that blank field and the ClearVantage user you would wish to add as a subscriber to the predefined list. Once you've added the users that you would like to have access to the predefined list, select OK. Your changes to the subscriber list will now be saved, and the user selected will now have access to this list the next time they log into ClearVantage. Now that we've reviewed how to add users from the shared list, let's take a look at removing users from the shared list. Within our Shared List Manager, select the list you'd like to remove users from. Under List Subscribers, select the user that you would like to remove and select Remove User. Click OK to save your changes. Users can also remove the list from their own profile by selecting the Remove Predefined List button. This removes the user's subscription but does not delete the list. Instead of adding the shared list user by user, if you find that the information would be useful for all users of ClearVantage, you can automatically make each shared list, report, and dashboard gadget available for all in the Shared List Manager. In Shared List Manager, find the list you'd like to make available for all. To make the list available for all, select Add for All Users. If there are already users subscribed, ClearVantage will prompt you to remove those users before adding for all. Once you've selected the Add for All Users, the user All will appear under the List Subscribers. Press the OK button to save and close the Manage Shared List window. Note, once you have added the gadget or shared list to all users, you will no longer be able to add individual users to the gadget or shared list. Now that we've added the shared list for all users, every member of our staff will be able to quickly and easily pull an active membership list to work with in ClearVantage. In addition to creating predefined lists based on queries created in ClearVantage, predefined lists can also be created from within the shared list manager. Please note, queries created outside of the ClearVantage query tool may require some basic knowledge of SQL. In order to do so, from within the shared list manager, select New Shared List. The category assignment will define what type of object you are creating. Your list options are Event List, Individual List, Invoice List, Organization List, Payment List, and Product List. In this case, we're going to create an individual list. Give your list a title, in this case, non-members, and click into the query string field. This will open the query string window. In this window, you can type your SQL directly or paste it from another source. I will paste my SQL directly. Adding a list of non-members to our database. After adding your SQL, add your additional users as described previously for predefined list and gadgets. In this case, I'm adding this list to my user. I've now created a non-member individual list that will be available to me the next time I log into ClearVantage. In addition to the shared list functionality described in this video, creating gadgets for the ClearVantage dashboard reports, charts, table views, and pivot tables are also created in the shared list manager and can be shared with any group of ClearVantage users. Please note, creating these reports and charts may require some basic knowledge of SQL. For more information on shared lists and editing and configuring dashboard gadgets, download a copy of the Euclid Technology Administrator Guide from the Euclid support site.